Hey everyone, so today we're going to be going over some recipe conversions using your yield adjustment formula. So again, first things first, what you want to do is find your working factor. So your formula for the yield adjustment to find your working factor is your portions to prepare, your PTP, over 100. So in this case, you want to prepare 150 portions of the Salisbury steak. So that would be 150 divided by 100, which equals 1.50. So again, after you get your working factor, you want to multiply your working factor by all these ingredients to get your new weight and measure number. So we're going to multiply the 1.50 times the 3. So 1.50 times 3 pounds. So you gotta make sure you always label everything. So 1.50 times 3 equals 4.5 pounds. So that is not your final answer because everything has to be in its simplest form. You can't have this decimal. So everything has to be on its lowest unit. In this case, ounces would be your lowest unit. So what we want to do is block this whole number off, and then we want to convert the decimal into ounces. So we just have to multiply the 0.5 pounds by 16 ounces. Because we wanted to convert this into ounces because that's the lowest unit. So again, make sure you label everything. So 0.5 times 16 equals 8. So that would be 8 ounces. So there's no decimal after that, so that's fine. So you block off your whole number. And then that's going to be your final answer. So 4 pounds and 8 ounces. So with the 3 pounds of sandwich bread, you can make 100 portions. And with 4 pounds and 8 ounces, you can make 150 portions. So again, we just did a problem using your yield adjustment formula.